Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable journal persistent storage on systemd step by step clearly. To disable journal persistent storage on a system running systemd, start by opening a terminal window. In the terminal, enter the following command to open the journaled configuration file in a text editor. You can use a command like sudo nano /etc /systemd journal.conf to access it. If prompted, enter your password to proceed. Once the file is open, look for the line that starts with #storage=. This line may be commented out with a hashtag at the beginning. To disable persistent storage, you need to modify this line. Remove the hashtag and change the value to volatile. Your line should now read storage=volatile. This setting ensures that the journal logs are stored in memory only and not on disk. After making this change, save the file. In Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and O, then hit Enter to confirm. Exit the editor by pressing Ctrl and X. Next, you need to restart the systemd journal service for the changes to take effect. Enter the command sudo systemd restart systemd journaled. This will apply your new configuration. To verify that the changes were successful, check the status of the journaled service. Use the command journal disk usage. This will show you the current storage mode and disk usage of the journal. If you see that it reports 0B or is only using memory, then persistent storage has been successfully disabled. You have now completed the process of disabling journaled persistent storage on your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.